Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to implement search functionality in MVC using C# coding. And here we got the final output, the text box control and the search functionality. I want to search, the employee name starts with C, search. See, here we got the Charan and Chetrika. If I enter Jack, here the Jack details. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am creating a new MVC project. Go to File, New, Project. I am choosing ASP.NET Web Application and the .NET Framework is 4.6.1. The application name is, the project name is Search MVC. Okay. And I am choosing the template MVC4. And here the project is successfully created. Let's close this window. Open Solution Explorer, right click the project, add ADO.NET Entity Data Model, the item name search, okay, and from the model contents I'm choosing the first one, EF Designer from database. Next. New connection. I'm adding my SQL Server name here. After adding the server name, now I'm selecting the database name, SampleDB. Test connection is succeeded. Okay. And I want to save this connection string in the web.config file, and the connection string name is a SampleDB entities. Next. And from the data objects, I'm expanding the tables. I'm expanding the DB also. Demo purpose, I'm using the employee table. I'm selecting that one. Finish. And here the employee table is added, which contains the column names, ID, name, email and salary. Before creating the controller, let's visit my SQL Server database. We'll check the employee table details. This is a table we are using for the search functionality. Let's switch back to the MVC application. We'll create a controller. Open Solution Explorer. I'm minimizing the reference folder. In the controllers folder, I'm creating a new controller. Right click that one, add controller, and I'm selecting MVC5 controller empty. Add the controller name is EMP search is my controller name. Add. And here we got our controller. The first thing, I'm adding the models using search is a project name .models. After adding the namespace, after adding the model namespace, in the public action result, I'm adding string search. After that, I'm adding my connection string name, which is a SampleDB entities. SD is equals to new SampleDB entities. I created the object of my connection string. I'm adding a list class, list employee table, list emp is equals to sd dot employees dot toList. After that, in the return view, I am adding list emp. This code is to display the records of the employee table on the browser. Before creating the view page of this index action result, first we need to build the solution. Build solution. And here we got the message build succeeded. Let's close this output. Now we can create the view page of this action result index. Highlight that one and right click, add view. The view name is index only, and the template I'm choosing list. Model class is the employee search MVC, and the data context class is the sample DB entities. Add. And here we got the index view page also, which binded the column names. Notice here we got the create, edit, details and delete links also, but we don't require those ones. Let's comment these ones. Before adding the search functionality, let's check the output. This table is displaying on the browser or not. But one important thing is, in Solution Explorer, app_start, expand that one, route config.cs, open that one, and notice here the controller name is the home, which is the default one, but our controller name is the EMP search. Copy this one, delete the home one, home controller, and paste the EMP search, our controller name, and the action result is the index only. Let's check the output. Google Chrome, and here we got the output of that code. Now let's implement the search functionality. We'll add one text box control and one button control in the index view page. I'm stop debugging. Let's give some meaningful name, MVC search functionality. Insert the p tag at using html.beginForm. The begin form, the first parameter is the action result page, which is the index. The second one is the string controller name. Our controller name is EMP search. Add that one. Form method dot get. I'm adding the simple HTML text box control. Input type text name. Here the name is search. Placeholder. Enter employee name. After that, I'm adding one button control. Input type submit. Name is equals to submit and value is equals to search. After adding the controls, switch to the controller. In the return view, sg.employees dot where clause, I'm adding the lambda expressions x colon x dot name. The search functionality I'm using name dot starts with search or search double equals to null dot to list. Let's close the bracket. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now it's time to check the results on the browser. Index page, Google Chrome. And here we got the final output, the text box control and the search functionality. I want to search The employee name starts with C, such. See, here we got the Charan and Chetrika. If I enter Jack, here the Jack details. That's it.